Thank you for your interest in NuVue's mobile vertical garden. This video will show you step-by-step instructions on how to assemble your mobile vertical garden. A lot of care has gone into the design of NuVue's products so that they're easy to assemble and no tools are required. Step 1. There are 4 tubes with wheels attached. The shorter tubes are for the front of the display. Each coupler has a molded directional arrow on it. Make sure the directional arrow is always pointing up. You will notice that each metal tube has an arrow taped to it. This arrow should always be pointed up, and this identifies where the coupler is installed. The 2 ends of the coupler will fit over the arrow on the tube and lock into place. Do this for all 4 legs. Step 2. After all 4 couplers are installed, slide the shelf with the wire bottom onto each leg. When properly installed, the couplers will go about halfway into each shelf socket. Step 3. Install the second set of couplers onto each shaft as indicated by the arrows on the shaft. Once the couplers are installed, you can slide the second wire frame onto each leg. Thread the 2 sections of poles to each side of the mobile vertical garden frame. Step 4. When installing the upper brackets, make sure that the arrows on the brackets are facing toward the front of the rack when you slide them onto the poles. You will notice that each pole has arrows taped to it to identify where to install each coupler before you slide on the brackets. Make sure the couplers molded in arrows are always facing up. Step 5. Now that the mobile vertical garden rack is assembled, it is time to assemble each planter. Each planter contains a liner and a filter or filters depending on the size. Slide the liner into the inside of the planter and insert the filter into the center of the liner. Each planter has a built-in drain valve should overwatering occur. Repeat this process for each planter. Step 6. Install each planter by hanging them on the mobile vertical garden. The larger planters go on the bottom portion of the mobile rack, and the smaller ones are hung on the top 3 shelves. Your mobile vertical garden is now fully assembled and ready for planting. Enjoy!